Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll down to find About Tablet. Let me tap on it. Right here we need to localize a special number which is called build number. So let's go to More. And here scroll down until you'll find the build number, which is at the very bottom of the list. So now all you need to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, you need to enter it to confirm the whole step, but that's normal, no worries. After activating the developer options, we can go to the settings in this left section. Sorry, not the settings, the system. And here let's scroll down to find developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, and basically everything works the same just like in the regular settings. So if you wish to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher if it is available and your device will immediately apply it. Tap on it again to turn it off, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply tap on the switcher at the top, and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear from the system settings. Let's check it. And as you can see, the developer options are not visible. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.